Hey pentesters and security professionals, today it's time to dive in a fascinating world of Flipper Zero. Today I went on Bing Chat and asked what are the most asked questions about the Flipper Zero. The first question is simple: what is the Flipper Zero? The Flipper Zero is a very delightful, very tiny Tamagotchi-like, palm-sized multi-tool for hacking enthusiasts and cybersecurity professionals alike. This portable pentesting tool makes exposing vulnerabilities in Wi-Fi networks, hardware and more a breeze. It can replace multi-tools in your pentesting arsenal or can be a great complement for what you already have. The second question is about the features of the Flipper Zero. Flipper Zero has a wide range of features. You can find a RF transceiver. It can read, write, emulate RFID low frequency and high frequency. You can also play with infrared functionalities. There is a HID emulation like bad USB. It can act as a UTF security token. You can read, write and emulate I buttons. It's open source and extendable. There is also a GPIO for hardware control. There is a very useful Wi-Fi extension available. Plus, it rocks a very cute LCD display. And of course, you can use apps on your phones or programs on your computer to control it. And if I forget something, please leave a message on the comment section below. Thank you. The next question is, how does Flipper Zero work? In a nutshell, the Flipper Zero has a powerful MCU that sits over multiple hardware modules, providing a unified interface for programming and use. You can deep dive in the specifications of each module in the Flipper Zero documents or check out the firmware on the GitHub page. Next question, is the Flipper Zero open source? Well, absolutely. All of the Flipper Zero source files, hardware, firmware, etc. are online and shared on the Flipper Zero GitHub repositories. Another thing that is important to mention is that the Flipper Zero community is passionate and very active. There are hundreds of custom maps, add-ons and firmware variations available, thanks to the Flipper's open source nature. If you want to contribute, head over the Flipper Zero GitHub page or the Flipper Zero Discord channel. So next question, what kind of devices can Flipper Zero interact with? Pretty much the Flipper Zero is quite the social butterfly. It can interact with a vast array of devices, using the GPIO for example, and there are tons of protocols inside. From messing with infrared remotes to working with NFC and RFID devices, there's pretty much no limit to the fun you can have. I almost forgot to mention the Wi-Fi with the Wi-Fi dev board. Next question, what is the battery life of the Flipper Zero? On the website it says 7 days and I would say that it's pretty accurate. How do I program the Flipper Zero? The core of Flipper's functionality, its firmware, is written in C, but the team and community are exploring adding other scripting languages to make development easier. Next question, can I use the Flipper Zero for pen testing and hacking? Well, you betcha. Flipper Zero is definitely the best educational tool to learn hacking and pen testing, and it's really great for pen testers as a cybersecurity X-ray to expose vulnerabilities in the world around them. Just remember, hacking responsibly means only working with hardware and networks that you own or have permission to work with. Next question, what is the price of the Flipper Zero? At the moment at lab41.com it's 169 euros, which is 184 US dollars. And the final question, where can I buy the Flipper Zero? Well, just told you, buy it at lab41.com, you will have the best price and the best service. And remember, knowledge is power and sharing is caring. So don't keep this to yourself, tell your friends, colleagues and fellow enthusiasts about Lab41 videos. Please subscribe to this channel, it's really helping us. Now for your next move, I have the perfect call to action for you. Head over lab41.com and discover a whole new world of cutting-edge tools and resources that will take your skills to the next level. So visit lab41.com right now. I will see you there.